In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trifold brochure in Canva. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Sign in, then use the search bar at the top and type trifold brochure or simply brochure. Hit enter and browse the results until you find a trifold template that fits your purpose and style. You can always change colors, fonts, and images later, so focus on a layout that feels close to what you want. Before editing, take a moment to understand the layout. A trifold brochure has 6 panels total, 3 on the front side and 3 on the back. Typically, the outside includes the front cover, the back panel, and a narrow flap. The inside contains the 3 panels that open up into your main content. Make sure the template clearly shows which page is the outside and which is the inside, so each panel lands in the right place when folded. Now, customize the look. Click any background or shape to change its color and align it with your brand. Use your brand palette, if you have one, and keep contrast high for readability. Next, update fonts from the toolbar. Choose a clear headline font paired with an easy-to-read body font. Maintain a visual hierarchy so headlines stand out, subheads guide the reader, and body text stays legible. Replace the placeholder images with your own. On the left, open Uploads, add your photos, and drag them onto the existing image frames to swap them out. Use high-resolution images, and double-check cropping so focal points aren't cut off. You can adjust brightness or apply subtle filters for a cohesive look. Edit the text content to reflect your message. Click into any text box to add headlines, highlights, short descriptions, pricing, and contact details. Keep copy concise and scannable. Brochures work best when each panel communicates a clear idea. Add a call to action, and make sure important information is easy to find at a glance. If you want, enhance the design with extra elements. Open the Elements tab to add icons, lines, shapes, your logo, or a QR code that links to your website or menu. Use these to create visual anchors and guide the eye, but avoid clutter. Align elements consistently and keep spacing even. Before exporting, carefully review panel order on both sides. Ensure no text or images will end up upside down after folding. Use Canva's preview to flip between pages, and keep critical text away from folds and edges. When you're ready, download or print. Click Share or the Download button, choose PDF Print for the best quality, and, if you're using a professional printer, include crop marks and bleed. You can also order prints directly through Canva. And that's it. You've created a polished trifold brochure in Canva.